Smart home security buying. FAQ. Ring, Arlo, Nest, Vivint, and more. What is a smart home security system? A smart home security system links connected devices to monitor your home, send smartphone alerts, and enable remote control. Which smart home security brand is best? Ring suits Alexa users, Abode mixed ecosystems, Arlo premium cameras, Nest Google users, Ecobee energy integration, ADT Plus and Vivint Pro monitoring, Eufy no fees, Simply Safe renters, Akara automation. Each has trade-offs. Do I need professional monitoring? Professional monitoring is optional but valuable if you travel often, want rapid emergency dispatch, or prefer constant oversight. Should I choose cloud storage or local storage? Cloud storage offers convenient remote access and history, while local storage improves privacy, avoids fees, and works offline. Are smart security systems easy to install? Most DIY wireless systems install quickly using an app, Wi-Fi, and basic mounting. Professional options like Vivint require technicians. Do smart security systems work without internet? Core functions usually continue without internet, but remote viewing, cloud recording, notifications, and voice assistant features will fail. Can I mix different brands? You can mix brands, but compatibility varies. Check Matter, Alexa, Google Home, or Apple Home support before purchasing devices. Which smart home platform should I choose? Pick one main ecosystem: Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home, SmartThings, or Matter, to simplify automation, control, and future expansion. Are smart security systems worth the cost? Smart security often justifies its cost through real-time alerts, evidence, insurance savings, convenience, and increased peace of mind.
Go to GearBrain for more information.